Bulgaria has given the world more than you might think. The world's first digital watch, invented in Bulgaria. The foundation of the modern computer, that's Jonathan Asov, born to a Bulgarian father. Yogurt cultures that made global probiotic industries possible straight out of the Balkans. But what if I told you that one of the most advanced hypercars in history, a vehicle that challenges Tesla, Rimac and even Bugatti, is being developed not in Germany, not in the US, but in Bulgaria. This is Alieno Sentiero, a car designed to redefine performance, technology and maybe even physics itself. According to its creators, it features up to 24 individual battery modules, powering 6 electric motors, producing over 5,000 horsepower, robotic aerodynamics with active surfaces that adjust 1,000 times per second, and a fully autonomous AI cockpit ready for both manual and pilotless operation. They claim it can go from 0 to 100 km an hour in 1.6 seconds, reach a top speed of 585 km an hour, and has a range of 1,020 km on a single charge, numbers that would obliterate anything else on the market right now. And it actually doesn't stop there. The chassis is made from carbon Kevlar titanium composites, it supports aerospace grade cooling systems, and the entire car is designed to be built via 100% robotic factory using modular automation. But here's the kicker. All of this is being built by a single company in Bulgaria that no one has ever seen deliver a car. And it might not even exist at all. So how did this ultra-advanced alien level hypercar came to life? According to the Alieno team, it all started with one man, a Bulgarian entrepreneur named Ahmet Mrbatchev, who claims to have reimagined transportation from scratch. On paper, his vision sounds like something from 2075, a car with modular drive system allowing power upgrades on demand, self-healing materials in the bodywork, interior tech that would make a NASA cockpit feel outdated. And the names, oh, they are futuristic too. Alieno THF Tesla Hyperflow, the Alieno UCS Universal Chassis Structure, the Alieno APM Autonomous Pilot Module. Sounds like ordering spaceships parts from Elon's garage, right? And of course the Alieno APM UAV mode, because yes, they also plan to make it fly. So let's recap. You're looking at a 5,000 horsepower electric hypercar with AI control, robotic body parts, 24 battery packs, 6 motors, a top speed over 500 km an hour, and a version that turns into a literal UFO. And yet, in over 7 years of development, no one ever seen it drive or move or even roll down a hill. So guys, until now we actually have some presentation with some particle effects. There's no engine test, no prototype. Actually there's a prototype, but it's only cardboard prototype. No shaky phone footage of a guy actually trying to drive it at least. They only showed some cardboard sculpture made to look like a car with BMW wheels, with no actual windows, with nothing actually functioning on it. Really interesting how they actually won 2.7 million euro for a pre-order. If you see the real car shown and what they have, are you actually gonna spend 2.7 million euro on that? So all we have are actually renders that ChatGPT can actually do for you as well, and a website that looks like it was made on a school laptop in 2013 during IT class. You'd think that with such revolutionary tech, anyone would have at least leaked a photo from the robotic factory. But that factory is also not built. It's movable building that they are actually moving with cranes, so it's not really a real factory. Which makes sense, because building a fully robotic AI-driven hypercar plant probably requires more than one dude and a week subscription. And yet, if you visit the Alieno website, you can place an actual pre-order. As I said, yes, only 2.7 million to 4.5 million you can to reserve a 3D render of a car. No test drives, no video footage. Just pick your color and pray the aliens deliver. And if you're still not convinced, don't worry, Alieno has big plans, but not just for the car, also for their entire lineup of future vehicles, including the off-road vehicle Hypertruck I showed you earlier, a modular flying vehicle as well, and something called the Alieno Unum, a 4-seat electric spaceship for interplanetary VIP travel, I don't know. But because you're based in a city with 88,000 people and 3 working traffic lights, the next logical step is space colonization, you know? It really looks like this. They've even released blueprints for the factory they're gonna build. It will manufacture everything using autonomous robots guided by AI systems. That sounds incredible, except that, again, it just doesn't exist. There are no drone shots, there are no construction updates, no interns in hard hats. The only thing we've seen is Google's SketchUp render of Warehouse that might also double as a nightclub in Minecraft. It really looks like that. And yet the company still insists that deliveries will happen, but someday. No year, no roadmap, just when it's ready. So if you wanna do a pre-order, if you wanna be the first one with Alieno Sentiero or any Alieno car, it's your time to order it. Only 4.5 million for the most expensive car that they actually offer. And I guarantee you they are gonna deliver it, but I can't guarantee you in which century it's gonna happen. So Alieno Sentiero isn't a scam, it's worse than a scam actually. It's a PowerPoint with delusions of grandeur. Look, I really want to believe Bulgaria has given the world brilliant inventors, engineers, and thinkers. We've left our mark in ways the world barely knows. And maybe somewhere in a hidden underground lab, Ahmed and a team of genius robots are building the car actually. That might be the car of the future, who knows? But until that day arrives, Alieno Sentiero remains the fastest, most powerful PDF on the planet. So guys, remember, I would say maybe hold off for the moment to spend that much money on something. I really don't know if there are people who are actually investing in this, but it really doesn't sound real, you know? 5.2 thousand horsepower. What engine can produce such a horsepower? I mean, an engine that can be put in a car. Also, the maximum speed it can reach 585 kilometers an hour. I can actually say that there are no tire in the world that can handle that speed. Every tire is gonna explode. If you are actually a car enthusiast, you know that the Bugatti, when it reached the record speed of 400 and something kilometers, they manufactured special tires that were actually made for a single run. So do you actually believe that 585 kilometers is actually reachable speed? Also, I'm not sure, I'm not a physic, but I don't know the physics actually, but the G-force that you're gonna experience if you are in a 5000 car, I don't know if a human can survive this. Also, everything under 2 seconds, eventually under 1.8 seconds is actually deadly G-force for the body. So I really don't know if there is actually a tire in the world that can put so much power on the ground. You know, we need traction, so the factors are so many, and that is just some bullshit that we are actually looking right now. And I really hope that it's just not some scam. I don't even know what to say. Whatever, guys, thanks so much. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you want more car content or more car videos overall, let me know in the comments. Subscribe, like, dislike, or whatever you like to do. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Have a good one.